Welcome to an in-depth look at one of the most highly anticipated supercars of the decade, the 2025 Lexus LFA. Lexus has resurrected the legendary LFA nameplate, bringing back the exhilarating performance, groundbreaking technology, and stunning craftsmanship that made the original a masterpiece. In this video, we'll take a deep dive into everything you need to know about this modern-day supercar, from its breathtaking exterior design to its luxurious interior, powerhouse engine, cutting-edge safety features, and, of course, its price. Let's jump right in. Body panels. The 2025 Lexus LFA continues the tradition of ultra-lightweight construction with a full carbon fiber monocoque chassis. This advanced material keeps the weight low while ensuring maximum structural rigidity. The sculpted body panels are aerodynamically optimized, with flowing lines and aggressive creases that not only enhance its visual appeal but also improve airflow and downforce. Active aerodynamic elements, such as the rear wing and underbody diffusers, automatically adjust to maximize stability at high speeds. The result: a car that looks as fast as it drives. Headlights. At the front, the L-shaped triple-beam LED headlights create a futuristic and aggressive look. Lexus has incorporated adaptive laser technology, which enhances visibility by dynamically adjusting the beam pattern based on road conditions and surrounding traffic. The daytime running lights, DRLs, feature an angular design that seamlessly integrates with the car's sharp bodywork, making the LFA unmistakable, whether it's parked or flying down the highway. Taillights. The rear of the LFA is just as striking, featuring full-width OLED taillights that provide an ultra-modern, razor-sharp illumination. These taillights have a sequential turn signal feature, adding a dynamic touch to every movement. The signature L-shaped light bar runs across the back, emphasizing the car's wide and aggressive stance. A centrally mounted triple-exit exhaust, inspired by the original LFA, reinforces its high-performance identity. Grille. No Lexus would be complete without the signature spindle grille, and the LFA takes it to the next level. The enlarged mesh grille not only dominates the front fascia but also serves a crucial functional role, optimizing airflow for cooling the engine and brakes. The carbon fiber grille frame reduces weight while maintaining durability, and active aero shutters help improve efficiency by adjusting airflow based on driving conditions. Seats. Step inside the LFA, and you're immediately met with track-ready bucket seats, crafted from lightweight carbon fiber and wrapped in premium Alcantara and leather. These seats provide the perfect balance of comfort and support, ensuring drivers stay firmly in place even during aggressive cornering. Multi-way adjustability, heating, and cooling functions ensure an ideal driving experience, whether you're on a racetrack or a long road trip. The red contrast stitching and embroidered LFA badging further elevate the exclusivity of the cabin. Dashboard. The driver-focused dashboard is a work of art, blending high-tech digital displays with premium materials. A fully customizable 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster provides real-time performance metrics, including G-force readings, lap times, and tire temperature monitoring. Carbon fiber and aluminum trim accents highlight the LFA's racing pedigree, while soft-touch materials and ambient lighting create a sense of luxury. Infotainment system. At the heart of the cockpit is a 10-inch touchscreen infotainment system, powered by Lexus' latest software. The system supports wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and built-in navigation with augmented reality. A Mark Levinson premium sound system delivers crystal-clear audio, whether you're blasting through tunnels or cruising on the highway. The LFA also features a track mode data recorder, allowing drivers to analyze their lap times, braking points, and acceleration patterns. Steering wheel. The flat-bottomed performance steering wheel is a masterpiece in itself. Wrapped in perforated leather with carbon fiber accents, it provides the perfect grip for high-speed maneuvering. Integrated paddle shifters allow for lightning-fast gear changes, while the driving mode selector on the wheel enables instant adjustments to the car's suspension, throttle response, and steering feel. The centrally mounted digital tachometer, inspired by Formula One, ensures the driver never misses a shift. Engine. Under the hood, the 2025 Lexus LFA features a 5.0-liter naturally aspirated V10, developed in collaboration with Yamaha. Producing a mind-blowing 725 horsepower and 520 pounds-feet of torque, this higher-revving beast can scream up to 9,500 RPM, delivering an unmistakable exhaust note that echoes the original LFA's legendary sound. The 8-speed dual-clutch transmission ensures lightning-fast shifts, launching the LFA from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.8 seconds. Lexus has fine-tuned the suspension and aerodynamics to provide unparalleled handling, making the LFA one of the most exhilarating supercars on the planet. Hybrid option. For those seeking cutting-edge efficiency without sacrificing performance, Lexus offers a plug-in hybrid variant of the LFA. This model integrates a high-performance electric motor with the V10 engine, boosting power output to 850 horsepower. The instant torque from the electric motor enhances acceleration, while the hybrid system provides improved fuel efficiency and lower emissions. With an electric-only driving mode, the LFA can cruise silently through city streets before unleashing its full fury on the open road. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe and share.